Welcome guys, it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect fried egg. So firstly, you want to make sure you have your pan and the fire, and you want to go ahead and add some oil, okay? But today I'll be using the pan oil, okay? Okay, fantastic. And then from there, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and break your egg, okay? Okay, for some people they just go ahead and break the egg straight in the pan, but I don't like to do it that way because I want to go ahead and check if my egg is fresh, okay guys? So to the hot pot, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my egg inside, okay? And you don't want to go ahead and turn your flame up too much, because you don't want to burn your egg. So we're just gonna do this nice and slow. And as you can see, the egg white is already forming and the egg yolk is perfect, guys. It's not broken. This is just beautiful, okay, guys? You want to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper, okay, guys? So if you were looking for a sunny side up, we will just allow this white part to get a little bit hard, a little bit more hard, and then we will serve as a sunny side up. And as you can see, guys, here, our egg is nice. You see it? Nice. Look on the motion in the pan. Look on the motion in the pan, guys. This is nice. Trust me. Okay, guys, look on this. If we were talking about a sunny side up now, guys, this would be perfect for a sunny side up. But I'm going to go ahead and flip this egg, okay, guys? There we go. So now how to check your eggs, guys? You will do like this, and you can see this is still runny, okay, guys? So we will call this like a runny egg, okay? And if you're looking for a medium egg, we will allow it to cook for a few more seconds, okay, guys? See now, guys, this egg is at medium, okay? But I'll be cooking this egg medium well. And okay, guys, our egg is ready. We don't want to kill the egg, okay, guys? Here we go. Look how beautiful this is, guys. See, guys, it's not overcooked. This egg is perfect, guys. Mmm.